Underway here in period number 2, and Will Riley picks off a pass, fires it across Victor. Now Harris lighting up a shot save. Rebound, they score! Prapaves is waiting into the slot. Burgess turning and shooting. Kicked in!
Has a man in the back towards Riley. Riley walking in, he scores! RPI trying to break here. Emil Orval in, stops there. Paulino, a backdoor feed, loose in front, they score! Jacob finds it there, centering pass, looking for York, right back to Liljegren. Wraparound trying to save, rebound loose. A shot, it's in the net! Chance for Liljegren to break. Has Whiffen with him. Liljegren on the move. Walking in front. He scores! They're going to break to center. It may be the natural hat trick. Liljegren walking in.
Now Whiffen in the corner. Puts it in front. No shot and a goal by Wilson. Great feed from Brady Whiffen in the corner. And it's brought into the attacking zone like Billy Jerry takes a shot and scores. Billy Jerry just sips.
Flies off the glass. Now back to the point for Wilson. Settles it down. Takes a shot. Hit a leg. Rebound. They score!
Burgess along the near boards. Back to Wilson, who winds up, takes a shot and scores! Great shot by Jared Wilson. And a good reactive save. Engineer still with it. Across for Liljegren, who takes a shot and scores! Prapaves cross ice to Emil Orval. Now a tip shot score! Emil Orval got it over. There's a couple of brown sticks on the ice. And shot is for a point score by Manley. Nieto without his stick was looking for that. Bad pass picked up by Richards. 2-on-1 if he hustles. Richards trying to get out for Jerry. Jerry scores! That was a floating puck. So far this evening, RPI 1 for 4 themselves. That puck ends up on Nieto and in the net. Boy, just a terrible play by Brown.
For the freshman and the younger brother of Jesper. Here's a steal in the offensive zone for Stout. Centering pass and a goal! Billy Jerry! Stolen away. Here's Orval. Centering pass right on in front. Robbed is Hayhurst. Second try is in!
Far side circle. Evan Tierney's behind the goal. All the way around. Shot coming from Wilson. He scores! Billy Jerry again mixing things up in the front of the net. Paulino takes a shot. Save made. Rebound. It's in the goal! Puck that just bounced on him a little bit. Now to the near side half boards. Paulino. Wilson across. One-timer. Tierney's. He scores!
Brings it back over for Riley. Burgess now as the Muehlbauer penalty expires. 4-on-4. Puts it in the net and Whiffen puts it in. But it went wide. Now back up to the point. Here's a big shot by Riley and it's a goal for RPI. Whiffen keeps it in the RPI end. Now it's on the stick of Liljegren. Liljegren curves and takes a shot and scores. Victor Liljegren. 50 seconds left on the 5-on-3. Wilson pinching in, takes a shot and scores. Deflected in, might have gone off of Whiffen perhaps. Picked off by Riley. He brings it into the zone. Tierney fakes a shot, moves around his man, takes a shot, and a goal by the Engineers. As a tip in by Billy Jerry. And back to Hayhurst. Hayhurst on the near side, looking up, looking 12 points, and a shot and a goal for the Engineers. RPI wins in overtime.
And as is, it's in deep for Burke. Burke turning, circle. Still Burke, a shot, he scores! Kept in at the far point, no. Man breaking, Hayhurst shorthanded. Hayhurst walking in. Hayhurst shoots, he scores! A shorthanded goal. Now Jerry near corner, indirect to the point for Moore. Arister through traffic, redirected, they score! Nice played ahead for Burgess. Cross ice feed, finds Hayhurst. Hayhurst walking in, he scores! Nice play by Paulino to stay on it. He'll stop at the half boards. Paulino, a shot through traffic, he scores! Patrick Paulino. Liljegren knocks his man down. Noah centering pass. Hayhurst scores! Feed across. Paulino lets it run. Prapaves back up top to Hayhurst. Stick handling in. Hayhurst a shot off the crossbar. It goes in!